Hello guys, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture we are going to fix over the spawn because the spawn haven't added the style, and we are going to give some padding to each and every element inside the post wrap. So let's get started. So let's see what we can do. And here we can see this is the post where we have added the box shadow and margin and border radius, but we haven't added the padding. So here we are going to add padding, but later we will remove this padding. So we will be using the padding class if we need any padding. So later we will remove that padding. For now, just add the padding here. That will give the padding to the post. So let's refresh the page. Now it's given the padding, and now let's fix this spawn. So if we scroll down, you will see timestamp A. Let's see. Here you can see timestamp A. It doesn't have anchor, so we simply remove this anchor tag from here and we will save it. Now we will refresh it. Now you can see it changed the size. Now I remove this text decoration because we don't need this. So refresh is perfectly fine. Now it's time to align this. So let's go to HTML, and if we scroll down, you will see this is a post snap top, and here is our div, and we are going to say class flex, and we are going to say justify content space between, and align items enter. Now save the file. Let's see what happened. Now it perfectly aligned the item as we need. We are going to give some sort of padding to this post content text. So open up the CSS. Here we're going to add a class. If we go to this, copy this and this and this as well. Now post title, and right after the post title and timestamp we were going to add these classes. So we'll say now in the post content we don't need to add any CSS to post content and post inner. Just need to focus on this post content text. We're going to add the padding here. So I'll say padding, top padding 0, right padding 15 pixel, and bottom padding 6 pixel, and left padding 15 pixel. So that is the padding which we give to our text. Let's see what happens if we refresh it. Now you can see given the padding. If we see the final project, you will see that it has given the extra padding on the left side of this post content text. Why has this happened? Because we have added the padding to this post div, and we have given the padding of 15 pixel. So we are going to remove this left padding. So we'll say 0 pixel. Now you can see it perfectly fine. So let's add the icons, these icons here. So let's go to index.html. Here if we scroll down, these span are empty. So let's add something inside. The something is gonna be the icons. So here we are going to add select tag, which is I tag. So we are going to give a class of FASFA thumbs up, and save it. Now let's see working or not. You can see it work, and it show the icon, and the second icon is this heart icon. So we are going to copy this and paste it here and here, and we are going to change the class with the fa heart, and the third icon will be fa surprise. Save it. Now refresh it. It doesn't work, so let's see what happened. We have a spelling mistake here, so we are going to remove this and we are going to say surprise. Let's see working or not. Yes, it's working now. We have included the icons, and now let's align the div side by side. So go to HTML, and here we're going to add a class of flex and save. Now it will align the icons, and now we'll say align item in center. Now it will align the item in center. When the div has padding, you can see it will align the item in the center position. Now that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.